Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Alright guys, so I'm back with another review. This one is by Motown Tress, one of their headband wigs. It's a curlable wig, so it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Although I don't think you need to add any curls to this, but anyway, it's curlable. And she's called Headband20. I have her in the color F4/27. No, it's called Headband20 because it's 20 inches long, and I reviewed about 1 or 2 of these units before, and I told you guys that whatever length it is, that's what they're calling it. It's called headband plus whatever length it is. So this one is headband 20 because it's 20 inches long, and I'm not really feeling the style so much. I think that has to do with the volume at the bottom. Now you guys know I love big curly hair. Anything big and curly, I'm here for it. But with this one, you guys can tell like there's no layers to it, so it's like blunt all the way down. And I get it with something straight, but with curly hair we need some type of layers. So you see how it just looks like this, and at the bottom is really big because the hair is curly and it's not layered. So you would have to go in there, layer it some more. I didn't layer it, I just wanted to show you guys how it looked, you know, straight out the box. But I think once you go in there and thin it out some more, it will look so much better. You see like the effect this is given because I pulled some of the hair from this side over on this side, so it's kind of given like a layered effect, so it's not as blunt at the bottom. You see how you have that look? This is what I'm going for. This side, however, gives me like more of a blunt, you know, you get what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you guys can see the difference. This side looks way better because it's a layered effect. This side is too blunt for a wig this curly. So that's what I mean by I would go in and just you know, trim it up some more. That's why I'm not feeling this, but I mean it's workable. You could obviously make it work. Now let's talk about the headband. Of course, I have those silky little headbands with this pearl accessory on it. I will link that in the description box down below just in case you want to go purchase. I'll leave all the new headbands that we carry in the description box down below so you can check that out. And the cap construction, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, and you have an adjustable straps. And with the headband itself, you have a silkier, smooth, stretchier type of headband, and at the back of it now has velcro, so you can, you know, tighten it or loosen it as much as you want to and stuff like that. So it actually really works because of the adjustable straps. I love the fact that it came with the adjustable straps as well as the headband that's separate, you know, because I think it was last week, yeah, was it last week? I think it was last week where I reviewed the headband, and well, a headband wig, I don't remember what company it was by, and they only had the adjustable strap on the headband itself. It wasn't on the wig, so that kind of made it a little bit difficult because the wig could have been bigger or too big or too small for someone's head, and there's nothing they could have done. Okay, so yeah, I love the fact that it comes with an adjustable strap on the headband and on the wig itself. But anyway, this is what the stock card looks like. I will link this in the description box down below for your convenience in case you want to go purchase. Of course, it comes in other colors. It comes in 1, 1B, 2, and 4, and it comes in some special colors as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you soon. Bye.